This app is very useful for all photo editors. In this app, we can instantly remove the background of any photo, any kind of photo, even the indoor photo, outdoor photo, couple photo, full photos. We can manually single photo also we can remove the background, and we can use the batch mode also. We can at a time 30 photos we can remove the backgrounds. In before 1 minute we can complete all the 30 photos also. You can see the hair detail clarity also. And after removing the background we can save the photo in png mode, png format. In HD original quality we can download the file and we can use in Photoshop, in album designing or any. Next option is the remove any object from the photo. You can select any photo. Unwanted object we can instantly remove. We can just select that unwanted person. I selected two persons, that is immediately removed. You can see the results also. The next option is unblur the photo. If if blur any photo, we can instantly see the results. That blurred photo we can do the clarity. You can use any blurred photo, it will, you see the result 100% accuracy.